down here making smoothies today.
Cooking with Mandy. Bringing out the serious equipment today.
I know, big guns. I should probably rinse this first.
What are you making?
Kale smoothies, because we got kale in our CSA. We're gonna make some green smoothies. It's been so hot out, we need smoothies. I'm gonna rinse off the kale. If you don't like to eat your vegetables, you can drink them.
Which is my kids.
You can hide them in their smoothies, they'll never know.
Probably most kids.
Probably.
Alright, we're gonna do cooking with Mandy, making some smoothies today. Gonna be just kind of short vlog today. Got a lot going on. Jamie, my wife, and I, we are going to celebrate our anniversary. Gonna take an overnight trip to a bed and breakfast on a little island called Solomon's in Maryland. So today you're gonna see smoothie making, green smoothies. It's gonna be delicious. And then we'll be back on Monday with more day-to-day stuff from Recharge. Alright, let's make some smoothies. And done.
And done.
What's the process like for this smoothie you speak of?
So we're gonna make a kale smoothie. We first we washed our kale. And you don't want the stems in there, you just kind of want to pull off the leaves.
Even though this blender can absolutely destroy the stems.
This is true, but you can chew on that later.
Nope.
So a good ratio of greens is you could start off with about 2 cups of greens, 3 cups of fruit, and 2 cups of liquid. And then you can always add more and see how you go from there. But it's pretty much any greens you want, any fruit you want. Things like banana, mango, and avocado add a creaminess. And things like berries will add a little bit more of like that tart, or maybe some pineapple. So today we're actually doing pineapple, banana, and avocado, and kale of course. And everything is frozen. So we're gonna put, this is probably about a little over 2 cups of pineapple, but it's all going in. It's fresh.
Smells so good.
I know. And then we got 2 bananas. These are everything I froze here.
Bananas make a huge difference in smoothies.
Yes. I don't make a smoothie without them. This is gonna make a big batch.
This is gonna be awesome.
And then we've got some avocado. Now, I usually don't freeze avocado, but Costco now sells frozen avocado quarters, which is amazing.
That's a game changer.
I know. So this is probably about a cup of avocado.
Avocado.
So we have some coconut water here, and this is slightly sweetened. You can get unsweetened. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, and water. So we're gonna start off with coconut water, and if we need more liquid, we're gonna add some regular water. So this is a little over a cup, this. All right, are you ready?
Here we go. So the Vitamix masher has this little lip here.
Yes.
And it's made exactly so it doesn't hit the blades, in case you're wondering why it doesn't get shredded. It just stops right there.
But this is why you slowly add it as you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And yes, we have orange and black cups because we color code everything. See? Color coded. Color.